Okay guys, today I'm going to do a nice little video for you. I'm going to videotape every single target I find, only because I've got a few guys who are having trouble with their target separations, and I'm just going to dig everything today and put it on camera for you, just so you can have a listen and see what everything is. So here's our first target. Has a little bit of bounce to it, could be iron. I'm going to pick it as iron. So we'll do our iron check. A little bit of grunt to it. So I'll be back in a sec once we dig it out for you. Okay, so we've got it out. There it is. Little bullet casing. Okay guys, here's our next target here. Now I reckon that's a bullet casing, only because it's got that nice rounded sound to it. No iron grunt. Let's dig him out and find out. Here we go, it's out guys, and got it right that time. Look at that. Another one just like the other one. Beauty. There we go. But I just want to make one point though guys. When you've got a new detector, just do yourselves a favour, get out there and practice. There's nothing better than getting out there, learning your machine, experiencing it. You know, dig everything. You soon get to know what it is. You'll start saying to yourself, oh, I reckon that's iron, or I reckon that's a bullet casing. And sure enough, you know, you start getting it right, you start getting confident with your detector, you start to know it. Yeah, sure, it's frustrating digging some rubbish and all that sort of thing, but you know, it's the only way you're going to get to know your machine. So, you know, don't lose patience with it. Get confident with your machine, and all the good stuff will come along sooner or later. So, yeah, anyway, we'll get back into it. Alright, now, this is an iron target. I know it's iron because it's got the bounce to it. Put the iron check on that. It's got the grunt to it. I'm not even going to dig it. I know that's iron. But I'm going to dig it just to show you. Okay, how right was I? Pretty right. Had the wavy tone to it, had the grunt to it. It was what it was. So you just got to listen guys. Anyway, back to it. Alright, now we've got a nice big target here. Try that again. Sounds fairly big, especially when we get in there, so it could be on the surface. Doesn't have a little bit of grunt to it. Let's check it out. I reckon it's iron. I'll pick it as iron, being so close to the surface, but you never know. And it's out, and the result was big spiky nut. Okay guys, this is more the sound that I'm looking for. Nice, faint, smooth sound. Put the iron check on. See that? Nothing. That's what I want. Alright, let's pull her out. Absolutely perfect. Now, this is exactly what I've been trying to explain to a couple of guys on Facebook lately about the amount of decomposition that iron has and the signals that it'll put out. Now, that signal I had then would have indicated to me that was either lead or gold, but it is totally decomposed iron. Now that stuff can give off those nice signals. So what my advice is, again, is dig it. You never know, could have been gold, who knows. But it didn't give off an iron signal, it didn't give off an iron grunt, but it needed to come out. So there it is. Okay, here we go again. Nice smooth target. Still nice and smooth and iron check. That's where it is. Let's dig it out. Okay, as you've seen then, guys, very similar to the last target, the iron one. So this is what's come out. Nice little button. Cool. Okay, very similar again, guys. Nice smooth and round. Just coming through on the iron check. Now where is it? That's there. Right, let's dig it. Alright, that was perfect. Nice smooth round signal. Still coming through on your iron check as a nice smooth signal. Ended up being a bullet. Could have been gold. Nice bullet though. There we go. Okay, another one. Iron check. Still coming through. There we go. You know, I'd rather dig 1,000,000 bullets a day and miss some gold than not dig 1,000,000 bullets a day and miss gold. Again, nice smooth round target, coming through on the iron check without a grunt. There it is. Next one's gold. Dig those bullets, guys. Dig them up. Okay, this one could be what we're looking for, guys. It's got me excited because we're in a nice quartz run here. So let's see what we've got. Well, it wasn't exactly what I was expecting, but there you go. It's an old quit. Cool. You just never know. Okay guys, here we are now for another swing with the ATX. This time we've got the 8-inch mono on. As you would have seen in the previous ones, we've done it with the double D. So yeah, first target up. Well, I'm find it again. There it is. And there's the car. So yep, started up, started swinging. First target, and I reckon I can see it. There. Look at that little slug. Straight off the bat. There you go. Could be an interesting little area, this one. Let's see if we can find some gold. Alrighty. That's not what we want, that's a bit of iron there, but it's just got that nice smooth tone about it, guys. Following this reef line here. we'll go right up through these bushes here, following another reef there. There's a few bobby pins and all that in there, so some old pins. So we'll keep going through here. As you can see, there's trash in here. That's your iron sound. Some more there. We'll check that one out because it's not exactly straight on iron, so this is a fresh hit over here that I haven't done yet. That decomposed quartz reef there. There he is. Let's get him out. Yeah, live dig, guys. How's that, eh? It's pretty much on the surface. There it is. You know those pins I was telling you about? That's what I was talking about. Old nails. There you go. Back over to this one. This is the one I had earlier. It's actually a bronzed bullet. If I can find him. Where's the pinpointer? There he is. Where is he? There it is. It's a bronzed bullet, that one. There you go. Nails, bullets. I reckon we might end up with some gold out here yet. That and there, been, you know, as deep as it was, not found yet. Could be interesting. Let's see. Right, I've been showing you what the lead sounds like, and that's all good and fine. That's what the gold should sound like, but if you watch the LEDs on this, they're jumping all over. Wavy target. So let's see what it is, hey? I reckon that's iron, and I reckon I can see it. I reckon that's going to be it there. See? Wavy target, even with the mono on it, still comes up the same. Wavy target means iron. Check to make sure there's nothing else there. That was it. That was it. So there you go. Those wavy signals that you hear will more or less be iron, but hey, check them out. Doesn't hurt. Anyway, back to it. Alright guys, this has got to be my find of the day. Check out this beauty. The patterns on it. How awesome is that thing? Nice big ring. Out on the gold fields, you never know what you'll find. Just below the surface, not very deep at all. Look at that, just sitting there like that it would have been. Nice one. Back into that.